Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your folder icons and system icons in Windows to make your desktop look color and more personalized. Let's dive right in. Let's start with change a folder icon. It's really simple. Just right click on the folder you want to change and then click on properties. Now go to the customize tab and you will see the change icon button. Click on it. You will be able to choose from default icons, or you can select your own by downloading an icon file. Once you've picked your favorite one, click OK. And there you go. Your folder now has a fresh new look. Now let's move on to changing system icons like the recycle bin or this PC. This is how you do it. Click on personalize and under that choose themes. Next click on desktop icon settings. Here you'll see a list of system icons that you can change. Just select the one you want to modify. Click change icon and pick a new one. Once you're happy with your change, click apply and your system icons are now customized. And that's it. Now your Windows desktop looks unique and personal. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.